It's really going to be raining. What?
You look.
I didn't know! It's a surprise. I've never seen this parade before, so you haven't either, have you? So this is the first time I'm hearing the song as well.
It's good.
I really want to look, but I don't want to at the same time. Ah, so excited!
Wow. That's amazing. Right, I'm going to get away for a minute. Are you ready?
From the rain, we decided to come and explore the Disneyland Hotel. I've never been in here before and it's literally stunning. I really want to stay here, maybe when I'm rich. So I'm gonna go now and get a hot drink. Oh, the door's opening and it's raining. Get a hot drink and maybe do some more rides?
Yeah. All right, sounds good.
Let's do
Not
it.
her. This was straight this morning.
I know.
Oh, and the
We
rain's
are
back on my feet.
literally like
Drenched.
soaked.
And then it opened, so we're gonna pull through.
Dang it.
Dang it!
So,
Yeah,
off to Fantasyland to do some more rides, and then
I'm flagging a bit now.
yeah, we're both getting really
I wish I
tired.
had some sleep last night. It's okay. We're at Disney.
Yeah.
We can sleep when we get home.
Yeah. We made an attempt to go to the studios, but apparently they closed at 6 today.
Which we didn't know.
So no, they didn't say. So we're gonna go back to the Studios Park and not Studios Park. We're going back into Fantasyland and picking up where we left off there. Are you happy?
No.
They're so cute. Shalomit.
Shalomit.
She's really cute. And that's a really good price actually. So you get Duffy and Shelly May for $39.99.
I have way too many, but I don't have as many. Oh.
I can afford her. We've actually turned the torch on Nick's phone because it's pitch black again, but we're on Pirates and we've literally got our own boat. This has been like about the 7th walk-on ride that we've done.
There was no queue, it said 5 minutes, we walked straight round and we're on our own boat.
Yeah, so we're just on Pirates now. Once we come off here, we're going to go and try and do another ride in Fantasyland. Oh my god, that scared me! Nicola's getting emotional already. Oh wow. Oh, look at Mickey. Oh, that's warm.
Stop it.
I'm gonna cry again.
I can't even deal with this right now. It's just in the castle.
Aww.
I ruined it.
Oh no! Wow. You don't look impressed, Nick.
Fuming! Fuming!
watched Illuminations. It was really good. I really enjoyed it.
Cried.
Yeah, I cried a lot.
I'm a little bit sad about the up thing.
Yeah, I thought they were going to do more.
I thought they were going to do more of that.
And
instead...
heureux de vous souhaiter une agréable soirée.
What?
To all our friends present
Oh my god! Oh my god,
wishes you all a very good night.
Oh my god!
Gosh, hard to believe it's that time already. Well, goodbye now. Aviento.
it's Mickey Mouse!
Hope we'll be seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
I can't believe it!
Well, what do you know? It's you. Yep, I love seeing my pals. Like you. And you. And you too. Oh, and you, and you, and you, and you, and, well, all of you. Aw, gee. Oh, hi, Al. Hi there.
One of the great things about Mom is she always greets you like you've been gone for 3 years.
So after a really long day, we've just got into bed.
I'm so tired.
It's been a really good day, but it's been a really long day. I've never known Disneyland Paris to be so quiet.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
It was good in that sense because
Yeah.
we were able to get things done even though it was raining.
Yeah, so we obviously did a few rides that normally you'd queue, I mean like Buzz, you'd normally queue for that for like an hour. And we walked on, pretty much.
The Space Mountain.
Yeah, Space Mountain. Excuse me. And Pirates, I mean you've seen the queue for Pirates. That can go on for hours. And we had our own boat. It was amazing. So it's been a really good day, so we're going to go to bed now.
We've just eaten our Earl of Sandwich meal.
Oh,
We had a sandwich from the Earl of Sandwich. And it was
it
nice.
was really nice. We're going to go to sleep now because we're really, really tired.
Yeah. We're going
And
to
I
try
think-
our best to do a bit of extra magic hours tomorrow.
But our shuttle for this hotel was being a bit of pants.
Yeah.
So,
The earliest shuttle is like 9:45.
and obviously yeah, extra magic hours
Yeah.
start at 8.
So,
So now I'm a pass holder.
yeah. Yay! So we'll do our best to see what
My
time
arm
we
is
get
giving
in
up
there.
on me, sorry.
We'll do our best to see what time we can get in there tomorrow.
Yeah.
But hopefully it's a lot less wet.
Yeah,
tomorrow,
it was just so difficult today because it didn't let up. I've never known rain like it. Like normally
just
it
didn't
rains
stop.
and then maybe it like stops for a little bit and then it just like a heavy downpours. This wasn't that. It was quite fine rain, wasn't it?
Yeah, but
But it was all the time, all day since we
Yeah.
got off that train.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyway.
We're gonna sign out for now and catch you in the next part of the vlogs.
See you real soon.
And thank you.